You see, sometimes when you win a battle, you have to focus on the war ahead. Listen to this. You saw Shay come up and try different Jaden and it worked in reverse for Shay. You see, oh, Jaden now make Dyema come out. If Dyema is a hypocrite towards the Jaden, you should be honored that she's a hypocrite towards you. So you know exactly how to deal with Dyema. In the mighty name of Jesus, leave Dyema alone.
I mean, I ignore you so good, boy. Eh? You see, Devin, you're so good, Jaden. Every minute you come out, I'm afraid of you. No, you can't beat me.
First and foremost, before we go down in a Dyema and Jaden argument, I want to say congratulations to Dyema. Cartel need your vagina. Congratulations on your award for Dirty Wine. You know, say me not hear nobody congratulate him. I said, Dyema, me not tell a lie. I true me did have to go off a Shay. You know how much time I come from my program and I want to congratulate you, girl. You know how much time I come from, but true me did have to go off for your dirty friend named Shay. Yeah, and a marble man named Queenie. And that's why me never get for congratulate you. You know, say Shay never want me congratulate you. It look like Dyema, it look like say Shay pick up something in her unholy spirit that I was going to come on my program, you know, and tell you congratulations. You understand me? It look like that, you know. Me say, you see, ask me for come on Dyema and tell you the girl Shay just jumped. Me say, you see, Uncle Shay. You see, Uncle, she a distraction in a Dyema. She a distraction because I wanted to come out and say congratulations, Sister Dyema, but Uncle Shay distract me. She distract me. She and that marble man we name Queenie. When I have no, you see them people. Me not come to them to talk about her, you know. Oh, but you see sometimes Dyema, congratulations. Them not like you. Them not like you. Is she? Me come on, you know, and as me forgot say, you know, I want to take the time, me say big, hey. Come for your cologne, you know. Come for your cologne, because you're a distraction. Oh yeah, but Dyema, anyway, congratulations, Lord Dyema. Congratulations on your success. You understand me? Oh Lord, me have share this morning. Yeah, congratulations on your success. Congratulations on your success. You understand me? Big up yourself, Dyema. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. That did not put on the girl image, you know. Yeah, big up yourself. So Dyema, where you and Jaden have now? Tell me.
I want you, Jaden. Jaden, be like you want to get it off and fuck you.
I lie that.
I feel like be a batty boy.
I lie.
I want to have batty man, man. Batty man, how are you?
So Jaden no want who want him. Jaden no want who want him. And that me want ask. Cause Dyema let puss out of the bag now, you know. So all of my struggles, my love is TJ and Maya now by the left because I see them moving somewhere together. Them now by the left. That's why I now listen to nothing again when Maya say Maya is your man. Stick with your man. And your man Maya. Oh, stick with your man. Oh, the preacher always say, do what me say, but not do what me do. Think Maya leg off of the cute hood there. Boy, TJ, your head ugly, but your cocky pretty. Nah, it's a good look, you know. I don't blame you, Maya, because that's just slip me slide, you know. I don't know when I go land when I slide. But nevertheless, Maya, don't leave your man for nobody. Leave him when you're ready. Leave your man when you are ready. Ready your man when you are leaving. Alright? Yes. Don't leave him. You know, say body has sin. Body has sin, you know. I will call K name on this. Hey, don't make a diss up your nastiness. Where K I go now? K and Shana Chin argument no expire. Them expire now. Yeah, K and Shana Chin expire. I'm not going through summer with K and Shana. Me personally not doing it. Me not doing it. I am not going through summer with K and Shana. I ain't gonna do it. So don't come on my program with K's name. Me not do it. Me not do it. I'm not doing it. Me not so careless. You hear? Me not care if Shana want buy how much bag and bonnet and this and that. I don't care. I do not care. I am not going through summer with them. You come like you not understand what I say. Me not go through summer with them. I could have swear the argument expire. It expire. I'm not going through them. Me I listen to what Dyema say. But my people. Come Dyema.
T-boy, how are they?
Batty boy, me Dyema.
Batty boy, does. I want your batty man, Jaden. You behave like you want to figure it. Suck. You behave like you're matey. Batty boy, you text it for me, fam. Suck good boy. Suck good boy, Jaden, I want to you. You go like none of you can beat me. Pussy, I draw me, I try to draw me out. Pussy, you don't saw me, I hold my one. Pussy, you don't plug on me head, you know. Pussy, don't plug on me blood clot head. Suck good, Jaden. You behave like you want to suck, figure it out good.
No, Dyema. Then me I lost of a Jaden and Jaden I lost of a figure it out. Oh, the lost in a go. Oh, the lost in a go. And that's why I can't like figure it out, you know. And that's why I can't like figure it out. I knew something was in my milk. I knew something was in my milk. I never knew it was a Shay look-alike. Come Dyema. Stop.
Batty boy, I want. Batty boy, I want. Suck good boy. I mean, I can't talk about you. You see me asleep? You don't wake me up. You don't bleed.
Actually, as much as how Dyema might in the mix-up, little in a way, as might as how. You see, as much as how them are throwing Dyema name in the mix-up, you know she avoid the mix-up though. You know she's avoiding the mix-up. Jaden not trouble Dyema. Please, Jaden. Bad to bad, not trouble Dyema. Dyema, avoid the mix-up. Do not trouble her. Leave her alone. You don't have to use Dyema to make a point about Shay. You don't have to. Because this is the thing in a brother Jaden. It not look good if you ever show Dyema in the argument, irrespective of where Dyema want to chat about, figure it out, irrespective of how Dyema want to come to the forefront and say she not business, she not know nothing, she never chat, figure it out, she never said this, she never said that. Leave her alone. You know why me I tell you? No, for sure, you know why am I saying this, Jaden? You don't need to prove a point to figure it out. You understand me? By throwing Dyema underneath the bus. Whatever Dyema said about figure it out back then, figure it out with find out, not by you. You don't have to make it be by you. You understand me? Because you see, you're doing Dyema the same thing that she has done to you. You never realize that the same way you talk to Shay in confidence and Shay come back. Remember you saying you did want somebody to express yourself to, and you express yourself to Shay, and Shay come back and treat you bad. It's the same way you're doing Dyema. It's the same way. So don't do that. Leave Dyema alone. If Shay is your target, target Shay and keep it right there. So yeah, target Shay. If it had not been for Shay, you and Dyema would not be doing this. So don't do that. Don't do that. If Dyema want to play a hypocrite, let her play hypocrite. Since she not threatening you, since she not diss you a certain way like Shay, let her play a hypocrite. You leave them alone. You just leave them alone. You not have to go after Dyema. Leave her alone, Jaden. Focus on your target. Focus on your target. Because you see, at the end of the day, Jaden, I'm going to tell you this. It doesn't make no sense to try and figure it out as to who Dyema is. And this is the part where I don't like. You understand me? You don't have to figure it out as to who Dyema is. You don't have to hint Akeem as to who Rosalie is. They made their choice. Don't let figure it out use you and play victim against Dyema. They know who they are. You understand me? They know them one another. Don't if you argue with Shay, you argue with Shay. Focus on Shay. Leave Dyema alone. Leave her, because in all fairness, Dyema and Shay chat things. You, Dyema and Shay chat things. And if you and Shay catch up, don't draw Dyema in it. Don't draw her in it. Leave her outside, make sure play a hypocrite. Then you know whose side she's on and whose friend she is. Sometimes if you just stand so back, you know. No, for sure. Sometimes if you just, as some is saying, I just stand so back, you know. You see, because me know say Shady did go come about me. That's why you see me hold my own. So you notice me hold my own, so I me just give her the time and count to 3. You know them say when you're angry, you count to 10. Me never have to get angry, so I count to 3. Are you so quickly Shay come? Shay couldn't even wait. All me say in the video, no man, Jaden. Jaden, come here, make me hold your hand, look in the eye, and I want you to hear me. You're so cold. You understand me when you tell Shay about her streaming wall? I'm going to say, no, Shay, Jaden, take that one here. That's what I'm saying. You see, somebody said, Dyema is being a hypocrite, though. Come here, let me teach you something. Come here. And that is why I want to say I can't team on the app. Come here, let me teach you something. Me and you not band together, you know. Me and you never drop out of one wall. You get what I say? Me and you not band together. We meet via megabytes. We meet via megabytes. You understand me? You don't know me now. Them still I report the light. You don't know me now. You understand me? But you choose to trust me. You get what I say? You trusting me doesn't change who I am from before you know me to the point where you starting to trust me. You don't know who I am. You see, we always take people expecting people to change the way we want them to. If you and I are going to be friends, I have to accept who you are. You see, in accepting who you are, I know exactly how to deal with you. You get what I say? So it's when I sound carnage to the outer side, it will be meaningful to you. You will always have an understanding of where I'm coming from, even though you want to play hypocrite in the mass. But you will always have an understanding of where I'm coming from. And that is why we don't have good friendship. And that is why we guide ourselves towards persons who don't mean us well. But why you never accept Shay for who she is, that is why I deal with Shay accordingly. I accepted Shay for who she is. All the times on the cemetery shade spanner, make your argument plausible and come my way. Yeah? Let your argument be plausible and come my way. Never a time I sat on my program and kiki kaka with Shay when she's wrong. Never a time. And that much Una miss. It's because I'm not playing hypocrite like Una expect me to play hypocrite. Remember Una say I have secrets to say and she have secrets to me. Remember Una say so, you know? But you see, because you're uneducated baby girl, that is why you chat crap. I keep asking the question, how she reaching a Jaden house? After them not like Jaden. I could never accept Shay, even though we make amends and we very action. I could never accept her in my person. When you tell people the truth, them say you're being rude. But you see, because Una mix up on the outer side, that is why Una can swing to Dyema side. And when Dyema done her live and Jaden start, Una go over Jaden live and Una fuel this negativity. Una fuel the negativity. This is why no for Una lack. Let me tell you, Una lack self-respect and Una get the proper respect from others. Because when people communicate with Una, them now go tell Una so Una done, you know. If Una not trouble them, you know, them go find a way to manipulate Una because they realize they don't have no sense. If Dyema wants to play hypocrite with Jaden, so let it be. Dyema and Jaden are friends from where? Dyema and Jaden are friends from where? Most sense. Yeah, no for true. This is just the truth. I said to Shay, and people will not realize that there's a cycle, you know. You see, sometimes when you win a battle, you have to focus on the war ahead. Listen to this. You saw Shay come up and try different Jaden and it worked in reverse for Shay. You see, oh, Jaden now make Dyema come out. If Dyema is a hypocrite towards the Jaden, you should be honored that she's a hypocrite towards you. So you know exactly how to deal with Dyema. You never know. You should be honored. I am not moved or perturbed by anybody who said them not like me, Nika. I am not moved. You understand me? Because you're supposed to hate me. You're going to hate me for a season and then like me for a next. You never know. It's not that we're going to be buddy friends, but I can accept your forgiveness. At the end of the day, they are all connected. And that's just the truth. It makes no sense. We are going to sit down and pick side. And it's the same thing why Shay and me kick off. Because I said to Shay on my program, when Shay and Jaden, I said, Shay, come here. I said, Shay, come here. Be careful of how you're dissing Jaden. It might not work in your favor based on what the youth had done for you in the public eye. What him do for me? My, what him do for me? Jaden not do nothing for me. A Jaden gift me. And I saw the hype start and I said, Shay, be careful. But you see, because not for uno take the screen recording and run with where them post of me and uno make uno reservations about me, that is why not for uno try make many pieces together to find out if I am really sure, if I'm really sure what me I say, or me really did say that, because a lot of you guys knew since the argument. Remember, a lot of you guys only know me based on where the screen recorders put out of me. That's so Shay and I said to Shay, say, Shay, be careful. Be careful. Show gratitude all when time people are try trap you. That's what I said to Shay. And you see it? It come right back around and I bite her. So you have to understand. Somebody say, can I rest the woman name now? I say it feel when she chat people to. I just want to know. So I don't know what you're talking about. You see? When I like take beat up and this is the thing, you know. A whole heap of beat up me take on the app, you know. I remember days when the app run with a whole heap of things about me. Whole heap of false narrative. Whole heap of false narrative. I know I come on my program, I'm just all it same way because guess what? This too shall pass. I say if you're innocent, the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. When Shay takes said from people, Shay not ease up, Shay make content called Belgium boring. He said me to sit up on my program and use Shay name 40 days and 40 nights, I am gonna do it. And you cannot stop me until I am content. You never know that? Until I am content. Now, let me just drag on the memory a little. Remember back in the day when it was with Rosalie and Shay, how the whole on a group up and not talk say me not tell Shay the truth. So why when tell truth I come on a tired? Why when tell truth I come now on a tired? No Jamaican bad boy, why when tell truth I come Kira, them tired? Who not see how much lies Shay still gonna tell for me? Who not see the lies them Shay and Queenie tell for me? Who not see, but we must just accept it, don't? You see, chatting me is one, you know, but telling lies on me is another. Never know. I saw it go. And everybody knows that Shay not rest. Because Mrs. Shay and Jaden argue and done. And Jaden ignore Shay and Jaden busy at playing match. And Shay go and shoot against Jaden, which she not have to do. You understand me? But when you see them little something there, Shay not rest because Shay are crosses. You never know that. You never know that. and then come back round, come play victim. Yeah, you tell lies about me, I tell truth about you. And this is always the problem.